No, I don't want to eat my dinner.
You better eat it right now.
No, I want to Burger King.
You are not having it at Burger King.
I hate you, Dad. I want to play games.
Get over here right now. Green chicken, what are you doing to computer? You're supposed to be at. Green chicken, I cannot believe you play video games for not finished your dinner. That is so. You are so grounded for 473 decades. And for your punishment, I will destroy your computer for 100 decades.
No. No. No, Dad, please don't destroy my computer. Anything I play video games.
Too bad, Green chicken. I will destroy your computer. And that is final. So, I will not buying a new one. Now go finish your dinner, and then go upstairs to your room right now, and think about what you have done.
Wow.